The DNA of a Lotus is agility, performance, to be fast, to be competitive. When you drive a Lotus, you have fun.
Emerson Fittipaldi, the youngest ever individual world champion.
My Lotus 72 is one of the most iconic cars in the history of Formula 1. The most important car for my life. From racing to street car, there is a relationship. Incredible power, technology, the aerodynamic, the design, the styling, being a full electrical car. The new Evija, Fittipaldi, is going to be iconic as the Lotus 72. After 50 years, with all the world championships, the Lotus history, determination to have my name on the car with all our history together is an honor for me. I'm Emerson Fittipaldi. My first drive in Formula 1 was with Team Lotus.